Imagine falling asleep tonight. Your eyes are closed, your body is resting, everything seems quiet. But inside your head, something extraordinary is happening. You suddenly find yourself flying through the sky, talking to people who aren't there, visiting places you've never seen, or reliving moments from your past. Then you wake up, and one question remains. Why do humans dream? It's something every person experiences. Yet even after centuries of research, scientists still don't have a complete answer. To understand dreams, we first need to understand what happens when we sleep. Many people think the brain shuts down during sleep, but that's not true. In fact, the brain remains incredibly active. Every night we move through different stages of sleep. One of the most important stages is called REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, your eyes move quickly beneath your eyelids. Your brain becomes highly active, and most vivid dreams occur here. In some ways, your brain during REM sleep can be almost as active as it is when you're awake, which raises an interesting question. If the brain is working so hard while we sleep, what exactly is it doing? One popular theory involves memory. Every day, your brain collects an enormous amount of information: faces, conversations, experiences, skills, facts. But not all of this information is equally important. Scientists believe that during sleep, the brain sorts through these memories. It strengthens some, removes others, and organizes information for future use. Dreams may be part of this process. Your brain could be reviewing pieces of your day and combining them in unusual ways. This might explain why dreams often feel familiar but strange at the same time. You might dream about your school, but it's located on a mountain. Or you might talk to a friend, using your teacher's voice. Your brain is mixing memories together. Another theory focuses on emotions. Life is full of stress: fear, excitement, happiness, sadness. Many researchers believe dreams help us process these emotions. In fact, studies show that emotional parts of the brain become especially active during dreaming. This may explain why dreams can feel so intense. Sometimes dreams make us happy, sometimes they scare us, and sometimes they leave us feeling confused long after we wake up. But there is another fascinating possibility. Dreams may help us prepare for danger. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors lived in a much more dangerous world. Predators were everywhere, food was uncertain, survival was never guaranteed. Some scientists think dreams acted like a training simulator, a safe place where the brain could practice dealing with threats. Imagine being chased in a dream, or trying to escape a dangerous situation. These experiences might have helped ancient humans react faster in real life. Not everyone agrees with this theory, but it's an intriguing idea. Then there is perhaps the strangest explanation of all. What if dreams don't have a specific purpose? Some researchers argue that dreams are simply the result of random brain activity. During REM sleep, neurons fire in different parts of the brain. The brain then tries to make sense of these random signals. It creates a story, a narrative, a dream. According to this idea, dreams are less like messages and more like the brain improvising a movie while you sleep. And that movie can become very strange. You might suddenly appear in a different country, meet someone from your childhood, or discover that you can breathe underwater. Dreams often ignore the normal rules of reality, yet while we're dreaming, they usually feel completely real. What's even more surprising is that everyone dreams, even people who claim they never do. The difference is that many dreams are forgotten within minutes of waking up. Scientists estimate that the average person spends about 6 years of their life dreaming. 6 years. Inside worlds created entirely by the brain. So why do humans dream? The truth is that nobody knows for sure. Dreams may help process memories, manage emotions, practice survival skills, or they may simply be a side effect of an active brain. Perhaps the answer is a combination of all these theories, but until science solves the mystery, dreams remain one of the most fascinating experiences of being human. So the next time you wake up from a strange dream, remember this. While your body was asleep, your brain was creating an entire world of its own.